Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday to you. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. Well, if you can believe it, we've reached the end of the semester. I think we can all agree 2020 is a year unlike any other, but hey, we made it. We've had a great discussion. This is, on a personal level, this has been one of the most outstanding classes I have ever had. I've been teaching since 2015, and in my 5+ years, this has been one of the best classes I have ever had. So thank you to each one of you. Your posts in the discussion boards have been fantastic. Everybody did really well on the first exam. For the two papers for the undergraduate section and the four papers for the graduate section, I've been very impressed. I can tell you've put a lot of effort into it. So thank you everyone for such a wonderful semester. Well, like I said, we're at the very end. This week is our last module, Module 14, and talking about global diversity. Make sure you really read through Chapter 16 because I think it's a great chapter that really summarizes everything that we've talked about all semester, but then kind of brings it to a more, global perspective, obviously. And when you're reading, pay particular attention to things such as, how the U.S. differs from different countries on some of these aspects. We have protections that other countries don't have and vice versa. So it's really, for me, fascinating to see all the differences from that perspective. So yeah, so this week, just one final discussion forum to complete, and then that will be the last assignment. For those of you who are in the graduate section, your final paper is due this coming Sunday, so make sure you complete that before Sunday. But other than that, then we're done. So next week is our final exam. Again, you can take it anytime starting Monday morning all the way until Friday night. I'll post it Monday morning, then you can do it anytime all week as long as you complete it by Friday night, and I'll put some instructions in there. As far as it is not comprehensive, so if you will recall, exam 1 covered modules 1 through 8, chapters 1 through 8. Exam 2 will start with module 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So just 9 through 14. And the topics: sex and gender, work and family, sexual orientation, religion, age, physical, mental, weight, appearance, and then global diversity. So just those topics will be covered on the final exam. The format's going to be very, very similar to the first exam. So yeah, if you want to refer back to exam number 1, that'll give you a good idea of what to expect as far as the format. In the middle of this week, I will send out a quick study guide. Again, nothing in detail, but just kind of a few reminders for you to give you some of the high points to make sure that you study before the final exam. So. And again, if you have any further questions about your grades or where your current standing, shoot me an email, give me a quick call. Happy to discuss. But again, you have been a fantastic class. Thank you so much for all your effort, and good luck with the exam next week. Have a good day, everyone.